Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup of my new 10 drawer LED dresser. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, as you can see, we're putting it together. This one's the black version with a metal frame and wood grain finish. They do have other options available. Right away, everything in the box is labeled clearly and it comes with all the hardware you need plus the installation video if needed. So setup is actually pretty straightforward. Each section is designed to slide in together easily and the steel frame gives it a really solid feel. No cheap bending or wobbling while tightening the screws. It also includes the adjustable feet, which is huge. If your floors aren't perfectly even, this keeps it stable and prevents any kind of rocking. One thing I noticed during the assembly, it comes with two anti-tip kits for wall anchoring, which is great if you've got kids or pets around. The drawers are fabric with sturdy handles, and the mix of 6 large drawers and 4 small ones makes organizing easier. The bigger drawers for clothes and the smaller ones for accessories or tech gear. I'm also running the power cable right now. The dresser has built-in power outlets and USB ports, which honestly sets it apart from most dressers in this price range. They'll make charging phones, lamps, or even gaming consoles super convenient once it's all set up. By the time you get the frame done, the rest is just sliding the drawers in place. It's surprisingly quick. The materials feel lightweight but firm, and the finish looks sleek once everything's tightened up. And now that it's built, here's the final look. You've got the 10 drawer setup that's both functional and modern. The wood grain texture gives it a nice upscale feel, and the open middle shelf is perfect for quick access items or decor pieces. The LED lighting inside the shelf comes with the remote and has 7 color options and 7 dynamic modes, so you can switch between warm white, neon green, or even cycling colors depending on your vibe. I'll go ahead and show you a few of the modes. The brightness level adjusts smoothly and it instantly changes the atmosphere in the room. The charging ports and outlets are right at the back, perfect for plugging in a lamp, charging your phone overnight, or powering small devices. It keeps everything neat and avoids cluttering up your nightstand or desk area. Structurally, it is really sturdy. The metal frame doesn't flex when you open multiple drawers, and the drawers glide in and out smoothly. It's lightweight enough to move if you need to rearrange, but it doesn't feel flimsy at all. And if you're like in a smaller space like a dorm, studio apartment, or guest room, this thing makes a big difference. You get storage, lighting, and power all in one compact design. Now that everything's organized, I filled a couple of the drawers to show you what kind of storage you can expect. The bottom 6 drawers can easily hold jeans or t-shirts. The top drawers are great for accessories, watches, cables, or socks, or even small tech gear. I've added a few decorative touches on top, such as the iPad and my Apple Watch, as well as the Amazon Alexa in the middle part. The LED lighting really makes it pop, especially at night. You can match it to your setup, whether you want a clean, minimalist look or a more cozy gaming vibe. So if you guys are looking for a new 10 drawer LED dresser, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.